guys, and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today we have something different. We have the queen in the house. Woo, baby, look at this.
Picanha, 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 picanha.
Everybody loves picanha around here, guys. We know what we like. It's an awesome meat. It's cheap and the results are awesome. So today we're gonna be cooking this beautiful picanha in the other Ninja over there.
Another quick, simple, and fun recipe.
I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. Let's go for it.
Okay guys, like always, let's go ahead and preheat our Ninja, which is 5 minutes. Remember, it's just gonna help you to cook everything faster. So let's go ahead and do it. Air crisp, 400, 5 minutes. There we go. And press start. We'll see you back here in 5 minutes. Okay, our Ninja is already preheated, so very simple. Open your lid. We have our basket already preset inside. We're gonna pour a little bit of oil. Remember, the new oil is the no oil. Don't forget to always use silicone tongs. And we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil on each piece. Let's close the lid and set up our time. Hold on, okay, start. Air crisp, 400, and the time, this is the most exciting part, 6 minutes. And we're gonna hit start. And we're gonna put our beautiful picanha, and we're gonna go ahead and close our lid. Listen to that. Shh. Close our lid, and we'll see you guys back in 6 minutes. Okay, now at 3 minutes, we're gonna turn them over. So there we go. Oh, let's turn them over. That's 1, 2, and 3. And by the way, you can fit in here 3 good pieces of picanha for the 6 minutes. We'll see you back in 3 more minutes. Okay, as we can see right here, we only have 2 more seconds left and it will be done. I can't wait to open this. We're done. We're done. Let's see. Whoa. Let's put them in here. Look at all the juices. Look at this beautiful juices. Let's go to the best part, tasting.
Wow, guys, the smell of this thing is awesome. And it came out really good.
Really good.
I mean, the color is perfect, everything is good. We haven't cut it yet, so wow, so much juice, guys. Look at the juice. 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 Oh, look how pretty. Bro, perfect. This is perfect. Perfectly medium rare. I don't know if you guys can see it. Medium rare color. Perfect. Let's cut a little pieces here.
Yes.
We can give it a good try.
Let's give it a good try.
Ooh. The queen is here. Wow.
Amazing. The flavor. And this is such a simple recipe, right?
Picanha, guys. You cannot go wrong with it. So good. Wow. This thing is awesome, guys. It takes 6 minutes. The meat is so soft, so tender, so flavorful, so beefy, so good. That's why it's a queen, you know? The queen is the queen and she deserves that place.
I want to have some more too. Look at this, how pretty.
I have to say, guys, this is awesome. This is amazing. This is, get ready, delicious, brother. This thing is amazing. What do you think?
It's really, 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 really good.
I mean, you know, I've done this picanha everywhere, guys. In the barbecue, in the smoker, everywhere. But this Ninja, we just did it in here. It's awesome. It's really good, really tender, really juicy, really amazing. This Ninja can cook it, man.
This Ninja can cook. I'm telling you, the Ninja Foodi. Let's tell them about it, what we did. You know, we were testing with the picanha. We did it with the grill first. Air crisp on the grill, on top, like this, for also 6 minutes. I like it better at the grill.
It was awesome. It was amazing.
It was amazing. I mean, the fat, crunchy. Yeah. I loved it.
Yeah.
I really loved it. He liked it better in the basket when you air crisp the thing, but same timing, 6 minutes, flip him over on 3 minutes, then let it cook the other 3 minutes, and it's done. I mean, so quick, simple, and fun. Guys, I'm having fun with the Ninja. I am.
The only difference I saw from when we made it in the grill and when we made it in the basket is that when we made it in the grill, that we cut it, it was a little bit more rare. It was cooked, yeah, it was well cooked and everything, but it was really rare. This one is a medium rare, and the flavor in this one is awesome. I know some people won't like it that way, some people like it well done. All you have to do, guys, is give it 2 more minutes. No more than that, isn't it?
No more than that, yes.
And it's gonna be well done and it's gonna be awesome. And the juices and everything is something you cannot replicate on anything else. You know, that's why we like it so much, and that the results are here. They speak by themselves.
Unbelievable.
So there you have it, guys. If you like the video, please hit it with a like. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to put as much videos as we can online. Yeah. And if you have not anything to say, man, down there in the comments, anything, we read all the comments, we reply to pretty much all the comments. We're always down there with you guys, talking to you, and let us know in the comments. The whole description, the links and everything are going to be in the description of the video. That's all for today. I love you.
We love you.